Hello Super Savers, how are you all doing? Another day to be saving. So folks, before we start this video of super saving, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can always get notified when I upload a new video. And a huge massive thank you to everybody that has followed me in the last while on YouTube. I was going to say Instagram, but I barely do anything on Instagram. But if you want to check me out there, my handle is @Marthala_MUA. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey of saving money. I'm getting there with it, lads. I'm getting there. It's a journey. It's a marathon, as they say, not a sprint. And that it definitely is in my case. So folks, today's budget, as usual, is £200. Now, today has been a bit of a disaster already. I had to go and pay the council tax, which I owed them £84. So we paid that, and I went in and I paid off the whole lot for the month. So that's sorted. I also had my gym membership, which came out, which was 40 quid, and that was direct debit. So that's that done. Now, then the rest we have is food and my Very account, and then I had left with £6 left over. And I had to get a present, which my budget for that was a £5, a birthday present for my kids. Are going to a party on the weekend, so I was like, right. And I saved money, lads. I saved money. The present that I wanted to get was actually reduced, and it was in a 325, I think it was, or something. 56.75, yeah, 325. So I was like, thank you, Jesus, because this week even is tight as F. Honest to God, I'm just so, we just need to sort out our money, darlings. Right, so let's go. Get out the old book and we see what we're going to do. So, where's my food one? Lads, where did I put the food one? Oh, am I after losing one already? Hold on, let me have a look. Okay, so I seem to have lost my food one. So we'll just keep that to one side, or maybe I'll just put it into this one actually. So the budget as always for food is 50 schmackers. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It'll probably turn up somewhere, last minute type job. I've probably left it somewhere really silly. But let's pack it all away anyhow. That's the food for this week. That's one done. Then we're going to put £20 towards our Very, because we need to get Very down. Now, what did I put Very in the last time? Did I actually have a thing for Very? I don't think I did, darlings. I'm very unorganised today. What's going on? Okay. So I'll put it into miscellaneous because I know where it's going anyway. So that's that. And then we have change for our penny penny challenge. Alrighty, let's have a look and see what have I saved in here. Okay. Oh, a few coinage in here. So we have a nice bit of change today. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86. So we have £5.86. So we're going to split that because obviously our maximum goes up to £4.15. So we're going to go £3.15 and then £2.50, 60, 71, £2.71. So we are going to be pretty much on the green side, I think, today. So we'll go £3.15 first. Where are we at £3.15? Here we go. £3.15, 1, 2, 3, and 15. And then £2.50, 71. £2.71. Where are we there? Oh, we are here. Now, looking good, guys. Looking good. So, back there. Yeah, that's looking really good. Nice and colourful now, isn't it? Getting there slowly, folks. Getting there slowly. Obviously, the green one is packing up a bit more than the orange side is. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots on the orange side filled, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slots on the green side filled. But you know what? Work in progress, folks. Work in progress. I hope you are all doing really well with your savings challenges. Let me know. I see that a lot of people have all the real fancy things, the really nice named, labelled booklets and what have you. Folks, you do not need that. You really don't. You do not need, I guess for somebody who's doing YouTube and stuff, maybe they feel they need it, but honestly, you do not. You have paper, you have a pen, you have markers. If you've got kids, I'm sure you have abundance of all of that. Do it yourself. It takes 5-10 minutes. Get a sticker tape, write out your labels, stick them in, and that is it. You are paying off somebody else's bills by doing that, which is fine if you have that kind of coinage. Honestly, me, I do not. I have other places my money needs to be spent. Even for somebody else who, if you're not even doing YouTube and you just want to do it for yourself, you do not need these fancy things. You need maybe a booklet like this, which was $7.99 on eBay, and I can pretty sure if you leave it in your basket long enough, it'll go down in price as well. I waited till it was at a price that I could afford, which was $7.99, and that was it for me. I was like, yeah, that's enough. I can afford that. That's all I need. Got this. This is an old journal from I think 2018 or something. Yeah, 2018. What's the point in throwing it out? I've always been like just writing little bits of things in it, recipes, whatever, and then just throwing it out as I need it. But what I'm doing now is I just write my bills into it. So I'm not wasting paper. Everything's getting reused. Reduce, recycle, as they say. Yeah, just be careful with your money. Everything is going up right now. Food is getting so expensive. Fuel in your car is getting so expensive. Like, I've tax to pay on the car. That'll be coming into next week's thing. And now I'm going to go out and do a little shop after I pick the kids up from school, and I'll show you what I buy off that. Again, 50 quid, like these days, 50 quid is not buying me a lot, I'll be honest. I've noticed the prices in Lidl are going up and down. Today, like a pack of sausages, 99p, and tomorrow it's nearly 120, which is a bit of a hike. But look at what can we do? It's all out of our control. Anyhow, folks, I'm going to love yous and leave yous and chat to you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe as always. Sorry for the bit of a rant. Anyhow, folks, love yous and leave yous, and I'll chat to you real soon. Bye. Don't forget to check out my little haul in a minute. It'll be on coming up after this. Okay, bye. Okay, folks, so here we go. This is today's shopping, this week's shopping. I did a major boo-boo. I have overspent. I spent £74.57, but that was because I had a lot of detergents and I had to put the rest of the money on the card. You know, I obviously had my 50 from my cash saving, but then I had to go and put the rest on the card because I was like, I just don't got it. Not in this week's budget, but I needed it. So let's just run through real quickly what we got. So I have my nappies. Behind here, I've got 3 pizzas, which have gone up in price. They're now $3.27. It was raging. I had to get some detergent, so I got some non-bio powder. Then I got this laundry liquid. I got some battered haddock fillets, and I got fish fingers, crispy fries, chicken nuggets, yogurt, 30 pack of crisps, rashers. I got this as well. It was only 30p. Sun-dried tomato and garlic couscous. Just thought it'd be something different. I got some tzatziki because we all love it. I also got this 4 garlic and herb chicken Kievs, and there was 15% off these with the app, so I was like, why not? I'll give it a try. I've done my rashers. This medium was also $1.99 compared to the $2.19 that the same size, but just the mature and the lighter fat ones were a bit dearer, so I didn't bother with them. I also got some Greek style cheddar cheese, my chicken, corned beef and some ham, cucumber, some Greek yogurt, so 2 things of sliced cheddar. I got my lactose free milk, rice, tomato passata. I also got this for the kids for some ice cream for their puddings, a packet of biscuits, some pastilles just to keep little miss quiet while I was in there, some mushrooms, 2 packets of crackers because we love our crackers, 2 heads of broccoli here, some cheesy coleslaw, a thing of mayonnaise, some sliced brioche hot dog rolls, which again were on offer as well. There was like 15% off them with your app. The chocolate bourbons, some breakfast biscuits. These take me out of a tight pinch, I tell you. They're really good in the mornings. I also got this Bon Gelati premium ice cream. They're the mini, so I got a 12 pack. I also got some chocolate croissants and some grissini breadsticks in the back. Baby plum tomatoes, grapes, lemons, avocados, carrots, apples, strawberries, and some peppers, and 2 loaves. Oh, where's my focus gone? And I also got 2 loaves. So for £74, I did get an awful lot, especially considering that I got detergents as well. But yeah, it was a bit of an ouch moment. I was like, oh Lord. So that is everything that I have got today. Yeah, folks, I'm going to love you and leave you. Kindly hit that like and subscribe button as always. I love having you all here. And I shall talk to you in the next one. And I hope you haven't overspent like I did. But at least I'm honest about it. All right, bye. Talk to you soon.